Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can transfer photos from Google Photos to another Gmail account. So what we're going to do here, as you can see, I have opened my Google Photos on Google Chrome and I just need to sign in your account here. Now, if you want to transfer it to another account here on this Gmail, now all you need to do here is you just have to check the photos that you want to move. So for example, this, and then click on the share icon here at the top right hand corner. And then from here, you just have to click on this create link. Now here, you just have to click on create link. And as you can see here, once the link is created, so you just need to copy this link. Then let's open a new tab here. So tap on the plus icon to create a new tab and then paste the URL link here. Now here, as you can see, when you enter that link, you'll find the photos that you want to move to another account. Now the next step here that you're going to do is change the account and choose the account that you want to move with that Google Photos. So as you can see here, and then you just need to click on this icon right here at the top right, where you can save all of the photos right here. So when you click this icon here, it will save all the Google Photos. Now let's try to see if that photos are saved on this account. So let's try to delete all the original photos here from that account, and let's see if it's still on that Gmail account. So let's choose the email here. So when you click this one, you will find that for Google Photos that was saved with this account. So that's how you basically transfer photos from Google Photos to another Gmail account. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.